These are the CTR Mechanics Folding Mat, and we've received this for our review, and they call it a mechanics mat. You can use it for so many different uses, and let me show you exactly. This is how they come in the box, but look at that. They're completely foldable, so you can actually get headed all the way down. So this can be used as a mechanics creepers. Basically, for your back, you lay on this, you go under your car, you get all the work done, no issues there. You can actually also have so many different uses. Like this, you can actually have it, you could sit down and work landscaping maybe, or you're working anywhere you want in your garage perhaps. This would be great in a shed, in a garage for easy pickup. You'd have this, I'd probably have it like hooked up right there with that handle there, very easy to carry, of course. And then you could have it in a other way, just like that, halfway. And then you can kneel on this. This is extremely nice and supportive. So of course, it's not going to be like kneeling on the ground. It's going to be really, really nice for your knees, for your bum, if you're sitting on this, definitely. I love the little grippy surface as well. So if you know that you're on any type of surface, it's going to stay there. But yeah, definitely not just for mechanics, for pretty much anywhere, for anyone and anywhere. It's really, really nice. And I love the fact that it's so plush and so versatile.